friends, today we are going to do an experiment based on water refraction. As you can see, there are two lines, red and green. Now let's put a jar in front of it, and you can still see that they are red and green. Now let's see what happens when you pour water. As you can see, they are flipped, and to show that they are flipped, you can see only half of it is turned and normal, the other half. Now this happens because when light enters from air into water, it slows down, making it bend. The more denser the liquid is, the more the light bends. Okay, now let's use the same logic, but now on these two arrows which are pointing to my right. Now let's pour water. So you can see that water refraction changed the direction of one arrow, but the one which is not covered with water is still pointing to the same direction.